Okay, imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, pour your cereal, and while you're scrolling through your phone, you see the breaking news headline. The moon is on a collision course with Earth. First, we need to understand the scale of this disaster. The moon isn't tiny. It's about 2,000 miles wide, roughly the size of Australia, but it's made of solid rock. Step 1, panic. Lots of panic. Step 2, science. Let's break down what would actually happen if, as the moon rushed in, the first big problem wouldn't even be the crash. It would be the gravitational chaos. The closer the moon gets, the stronger its pull on Earth becomes. Tides wouldn't just be high, they'd be skyscraper high. Imagine walls of water taller than buildings, smashing coast. Next, earthquakes. The moon's gravity would yank and stretch Earth's crust like dough. Fault lines would snap, volcanoes would blow, and basically every disaster movie you've ever seen would happen at once. Now let's fast forward a bit. The moon is really close, so close it looks like it's filling half the sky. Honestly, it'd be breathtaking, right before it's bone-breaking. When it finally makes contact, the energy released would be beyond imagination. Scientists estimate the impact would equal a... So what would that look like? The crash would instantly vaporize both the moon and a huge chunk of Earth's crust. Lava, rock, and molten metal would be blasted into space, raining back down as firestorms. Entire continents would ignite. The oceans? They'd boil. The atmosphere? Cooked. Here's the kicker. Not only would Earth be destroyed, but the debris from the impact could form a new ring system around whatever's left. That's right. Our final view, before turning into space dust, might be looking up at Earth with shiny Saturn-style rings. Beautiful, but very, very deadly. So what if the moon crashed into Earth tomorrow morning? Short answer, we wouldn't survive. Long answer, it'd be one of the most spectacular, terrifying, and final events in our planet's history. Luckily, the moon isn't going anywhere. In fact, it's slowly drifting away from Earth by about an inch every year. So instead of crashing down, it's ghosting us. And honestly, that's the kind of breakup we can live with. So now I want to hear from you. If you had one day to prepare for the moon crashing into Earth, what's the very last thing you'd do? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this wild trip into cosmic doom, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Unlike the moon, it won't destroy the planet.